Hi, this is the Arduinos team, and here's our portable humidifier device. This device consists of two independent systems, the vehicle system and a humidifier system. The vehicle system is responsible for movements and is controlled by its own Arduino Lego board, which is right here. Also, underneath, kind of inside of it, we got a L298, a motor driver board, which controls all four wheel motors. Here, underneath, we got a line tracking module, and here's the ultrasonic distance meter, which is for obstacle avoidance. The humidifier system itself is responsible for humidifying the air and is controlled by its own Arduino Uno board right here. This board has its own power source, which is a 9-volt battery. Here inside of the water tank we have a 24-volt mist maker, which is turned on and off with this 5-volt relay. Here among the wires, it's kind of hard to see, is a DHT11 humidity sensor, which reads the humidity values and displays them here on the LCD screen. So let me show you how it all works together as a system. Let's power up the Arduino Uno board right here real quick. And as you can see, the humidity is 61, it's below 62, so the mist maker starts working. Power up the vehicle right here. It's hard to see the mist. Let's turn the fan on. See if we can. There we go. Some mist is produced, and so let me show you how the vehicle moves in the obstacle avoidance mode right here. It kind of goes around and humidifies area. It encounters the obstacle, senses it and turns around kind of. There you go. Thanks for watching.